Okay everybody, I am about to install a new catch can on my 2019 Dodge Durango RT with the 5.7 liter Hemi. This is a pretty simple job, and if you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. It sure helps me out with what I'm trying to do here. What you'll need is one of these catch can kits. Mine was 40 bucks on Amazon. There's all types of different ones. Really, they're all doing the same thing. So pick the one you like. They'll come with different combinations of what you see here, which is a catch can, two hoses that are typically cut to the right length, and some hardware and connectors. In my case, the sole bolt you'll be dealing with here was a 12mm socket, but your results may vary depending on what kit you buy. The install is relatively simple. There's a bolt hole here on your head. This piece is held on with one of those plastic connectors, so get your pry tool out and pop that out. This is where your catch can will mount on the S-mount, like so, using the provided bolt and spacer right here. Once your catch can is mounted, you can see that there are two nozzles on it. It's going to be sitting here like so. At that point, you're going to take off this hose here. And I'll note that in my case, I've already removed the engine cover. If you have an engine cover, there's a couple bolts that will remove that. Take this factory hose off. At that point, you'll have your two hoses that will run from these two to the catch can, going to the inlet and the outlet. At that point, you'll have a catch can installed, and every once in a while, every oil change, you should unscrew this and clean it out and reattach. Note that there's a little gasket in there. You don't want to pinch that too tight when you're reinstalling your catch can. But that's it. This job should take you 10 minutes at the most. But if you have questions or comments, I always respond. Please like and subscribe if this was helpful to you. And thanks for watching.